if you are in the UK on PIP, attendance allowance, carer allowance, severe disability allowance, or industrial injuries disablement benefits, you don't have to meet the £29,000 income rule to bring your spouse or partner. Here's the exact checklist on how to calculate it so you can apply with confidence. Hi, I'm Falguni Parekh, founder at the Smart Move to UK. I've advised on UK immigration and nationality laws for over 2 decades. Today I'll cover the financial exemption for sponsors on certain disability or carer benefits and how adequate maintenance works and what documents decision maker expect to see. If the UK-based sponsor gets one or more of these specified benefits, the usual minimum income requirement doesn't apply. Personal independence payment, which is PIP, attendance allowance, carer allowance, severe disablement allowance, industrial injury disablement benefits, plus war pension equivalent and certain Scottish equivalents. In that case, your application is assessed on adequate maintenance instead. So how is adequate maintenance calculated? Adequate maintenance asks simple question using A minus B greater than or equal to C formula, where A is your weekly net income, B is your weekly housing cost, and C is your weekly income support level for a British family of your size. If A minus B is at least C, you meet adequate maintenance. It's important to note that regardless of minimum income requirement or adequate maintenance, you must show adequate accommodation. That is, your home won't be overcrowded and meet housing, public health standards. Whom does adequate maintenance requirement apply to? This exemption works for partners under Appendix FM that includes spouse, civil partners, unmarried partners, and same-sex partners. Unmarried partners should show at least 2 years of cohabitation and a genuine subsisting relationship. Let's have a look at what documents are required when relying on exemption. Proof of specified benefits. This can be latest award letter and recent payment evidence like bank statement. Income and savings, benefits printouts, and 6 months bank statements if using cash savings show balance held for at least 6 months. Accommodation, tenancy, mortgage, number of rooms, occupants, a property inspection can be helpful. Housing cost, tenancy mortgage statements, and council tax if applicable, evidence of actual weekly cost. Relationship and other requirement, marriage, civil certificate, or 2 years of cohabitation proof. English language for the applicant and TB test if required. What happens if your benefit stops? Anti-clearance is normally for 30 months and in-country extensions are 30 months. If at your next application, the sponsor is no longer receiving a specified benefits, you'll need to meet the minimum income requirements at that stage. Let me share some common pitfalls in this application. Using gross instead of net income for A. Forgetting to include council tax in B where applicable. Quoting out-of-date income support rates for C. Not evidencing benefit receipts with recent statements. Missing accommodation proof. Assuming the exemptions remove all the other partner route requirements, it doesn't. If you would like us to run your adequate maintenance calculation, tidy your evidence bundle, review your draft before submission, my team at Smart Move to UK can help. Links are in the description box below. And if this helped, like, subscribe and share it with someone who may need it.